So today we're going to be assembling a Malkolm chair from Ikea. Our office has had multiple of them, and I contend that I am the world's fastest Malkolm creator, assembler outside of Sweden. So for the utilities to make this, you need your power driver, you need just to open the box, and somewhere safe to put all the millions of parts that come with it. Alright, ready on the timer?
Ready?
Tell me when to go.
And go.
Make sure you don't rip into the upholstery, of course. And we're off. Getting it unassembled and unpacked is the key because there's so many pieces. Throwing away all the trash. Literally, this is the longest part of it, is getting all the pieces out of the box. Wait till you see where some of the parts are shipped. You may think you're missing some pieces, but you got to check in the chair back where all the legs and the arms, support pieces are stored. Zip it back up, set it aside, get ready to go. Alright, first thing, keep unpacking. Where did I drop my tool? Oh no, the seconds are ticking away. Oh no! Unbelievable time, here it is. Okay, we are almost unpacked. And somewhere you need a bit that fits these, and I'm checking, and of course I got the wrong one. There it is. Alright, first thing, assemble the leg pieces, making sure that the holes are lined up. It's entertaining, isn't it? Get them started. What is the world record from Sweden?
I have to Google that.
You're at 3 minutes and 24 seconds now.
Oh man, I thought 5 minutes would be the magic number. Lost 30 seconds when I couldn't find my knife.
I'd like to see a side-by-side with the Swede.
Oh yeah, that'd be neat.
I could do even better, and I know I've said this before, if I had a one-piece joint out of the socket is more complex than it needs to be. Okay. Put the wheels in. Flip it over. Put this thing in. Alright. Then, time to assemble the seat.
That's pretty hard.
Alright.
But wait, there's more.
What's that?
There's more.
But wait, there's more. Now you got to remember which way it goes. And it is definitely this way. The key here is you don't want to tighten these up because you got a little maneuvering to do. Getting that thing stuck in the screw. Man. We're down to the wire here. What's so much time is on the clock?
We're at 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Oh man. Failing my own personal expectation. Come on, come on, come on. You're so close though, sports fans. Notice there's no parts left over. Now it's just to tighten the rest of them up. Time!